Wow, it's amazing to see Terra Classic pumps over 150% in less than 2 days. But as of the time of recording this, you can see Terra Classic is still pumping about 32.88%. But Luna have actually hit about 150%. This took everyone by surprise that Terra Classic really hits such level within a short period of time. I'm happy to see that Terra Classic was able to pump over 100 or 150%. And if this continues, there is hope that this coin is definitely going to hit over 1000% within the next 48 months. Okay. Now, so many people, so many bloggers, a lot of people, Terra Classic actually draw attention as I'm talking to you right now, which is good for Terra Classic because with the rise, with the way the coin pumps, with heavy money being invested on Terra Classic, right now as I'm talking to you, in the last 30 days, in the last 30 hours, millions of dollars has been invested on Terra Classic. Now, Terra Classic have gotten that attention it has been looking for. Okay, now people have started asking question about Terra Classic. Some people that don't know about Terra Classic want to know more about the coin, and right now it's now drawing attention. People are buying, some people are investing. So this could be the turning point for Terra Classic. Okay, yes, this could be the turning point for Terra Classic, and I believe that if this continues, if the Terra Classic can hit another mega rise within the short period of time, believe it, Terra Classic is going to rise more, and this coin is going to hit about 1 cent within the short period of time. So I believe that yes, it's a good thing to see that Luna was able to rise within 30 hours, rising to the extent that so many blogs started blocking, predicting will Terra Classic reach $1? Will Terra Classic reach 10 cents? Some are predicting 1 cent. You know, the news is everywhere, and I'm happy for Terra Classic LLC, and I hope this mark the turning point for Terra Classic LLC. I hope this becomes the starting point for progress, for more success for Terra Classic LLC. So let's hope so. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice. Thank you. Subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.